morning, students. Children, as we know that the moon moves around the earth, the planet. That's why moon is the natural satellite of the earth. As the earth moves around the sun, the moon moves around the earth. But unlike earth, which takes 365 and 1/4 days to move around the sun, or one orbit means one revolution completed in 365 and 4 hours, you know, but the moon takes 27.3 days. It is not a full month. That's why you must have observed that we have full moon and no moon. That is Poonam and Amavas. The moon takes 27.3 days to complete one orbit around the earth. Now there are different phases of the moon. What is phases of the moon? Now you see the moon on different days, different shape. Does it change its shape every day? You sometimes see the half part of the moon, sometimes the full moon, sometimes maybe the crescent. What is that? Is there somebody in the space who is cutting the moon into different shapes? No, not at all. As we discussed in the previous module, that the light of the sun falls on the moon, it falls on every heavenly object, and the reflected light helps us to see the moon. Otherwise, moon would have been dark. As you see, when you watch the sky, you see all stars twinkling. Why? Because there is light. Why can't we see the far away planets like Uranus and Neptune and all this? Because they are far away and the reflected light doesn't reach us. But moon, since it is very near to us, the nearest celestial body of the earth, so we can see the moon because the light falls on the moon and it reflects to us, and that's why the reflected part is the part which we see, and we say it phases of the moon. As the moon is orbiting round, you know children, there are different paths which can be seen. Here you can see that we can see the different, this is the sun, and sun is shining, and then we will study about this eclipse. Then we see the part which has been reflected, the light when it falls. The other part which we can't see is in dark, and that's why it is called the phases of the moon. Okay, so what are the phases of the moon, children? Phases of the moon are the different shape as visible from the earth. The different shape of the moon as it is visible from the earth. Okay, so children, the phases of the moon we are going to study now. Now what are the different phases? Actually, there you can say 8 phases of the moon. The first, if we start with new moon. New moon is when you don't see the moon. The moon is absolutely in darkness. We cannot see. It is not possible to see. So we call it Amavas or new moon. Okay, from new moon you just see one crescent. I will show you the pictures. Then you see the crescent. That is the next part. Then you see the half moon. Isn't it? Half part is reflected, half part is not reflected. Then you see the gibbous moon. Gibbous moon is the bulging shape of the moon. And then you come to the full moon. That is the you see the full moon, and that is your whole moon. You can see that is your Poonam. Now children, when it is increasing from no to the total, then it is called waxing. Waxing means the phase is increasing. From new moon means no moon to full moon. So remember this is called waxing, W-A-X-I-N-G. Now coming, it is going in a cycle shape. It is in a circular shape. Now full moon, again full moon, and now you are going back from full moon, you go to gibbous moon. Okay, the bulging shape. Then you have the half moon, going back. Then you have the crescent moon, and then you have the new moon. So in a month you have the full part of the moon. One day you can't see the moon, means not at all in 1 month. Children, that part when we are increasing, that is called waxing. When we are decreasing, means from full moon, from the whole moon to no moon, that is called waning. W-A-N-I-N-G. Remember these two terms. Waxing is when the phase or the shape of the moon is increasing from 0 to full, and from full to 0 it is waning. Waning. Okay. Now sometime you will hear the word called blue moon. Now blue moon means in a month when you have the second full moon, means if you have 2 full moons in a month, that is called blue moon. That term is given as blue moon. Now I will show you the phases of the moon. Just have a look, children. Have a look at the phases of the moon. I hope you are able to see the phases of the moon. Okay, so phases of the moon, as I told you, children. Here also another phase of the moon. So you can see from new moon, means that is no moon, then you have crescent, then you have the half moon, then you have the bulging moon, gibbous moon, then the full moon. Again it is becoming new moon. So from no means gibbous moon, then half moon, then crescent, and again new moon. Here also you see, as we discussed about waxing and waning. Okay, take new moon. New moon means no moon. You cannot see anything. Moon is absolutely in darkness. New moon. Then this is waxing crescent. Why waxing crescent? Because it is becoming increasing its shape. So crescent, this is your crescent. This is waxing crescent. Then you have the half moon. That is the first quarter, means 15 days. Then waxing gibbous, because it is increasing in shape. So gibbous is that bulging shape. Then you have the full moon. Okay, the moon is complete. You can see the whole moon. Then again it is decreasing in shape. So we have to waning. Waning gibbous means it is losing its shape. So from full it has become little less. Then it has become half. Okay, again 15 days, and then it has become waning crescent. Waning crescent means it is losing its shape, and then again. In this way this cycle goes on, and that is your phases of the moon. Phases of the moon is, as I told you, 8 phases. Okay children, I hope you have understood the different phases of the moon. And children, phases of the moon, from new moon, then you come to the crescent, then you come to the half, that is half moon, and from half moon you have the gibbous, and from gibbous you have the full moon, then you have full moon to again gibbous, and from gibbous to half moon, and then you have the crescent. Okay children, I'll show you another picture of phases of the moon. As you can see, the sun's light falling. Okay, then you changing shape. This is your new moon, no moon. Okay, first, then waxing, crescent, a little bit comes out. Then you see the first quarter is completed, means 15 days completed. Then you see the half. Then again you see the bulging, only little bit is not seen, and then you have the full moon. And then again waning gibbous, means little part is again getting, and then the half moon, that is your last quarter, next 15 days, and then your waning crescent means only this much you can see, and then again. Children, you can make your chart of moon and keep coloring that on which day, which part you have seen. You can make one chart at home and do it. You will enjoy doing the different phases of the moon. That is how this thing happens, and it takes 27.3 days. Okay. Thank you, children.